Hi there, thanks for watching the Comanche Joe Armor YouTube channel. I'm Joe, and I'm finally confident enough to put my Franken gun in a video. What I have here is a 7.62 by 39 AR-15 that I built literally out of blemished and spare parts. I know I say literally wrong. Why I call it a Franken gun is because I do the 80% lower receivers. I bought one of the jigs and I thought it was fun and neat to do. So one day I saw one of the websites was running a sale, so I bought it. It was a blemished lower receiver. It was a piece of junk. When I was finished with it, the entire pocket that you mill out was kind of shifted to one side, and I couldn't pin the upper on it. So what I ended up having to do was grind down the rear takedown pin so that I could get the upper on. And it no longer latches in the detent, it just kind of hangs in there. The other thing that ended up happening was the charge handle would hit the top of where the buffer tube screws on. So I ended up grinding that down with my angle grinder as well to make clearance there. All in all, I decided I didn't want to use this lower for the one that I was originally building with, so I just kind of had it laying around. It has the trigger that was out of my other AR-15 once I put the single stage trigger in, and just a bunch of leftover stuff like the springs and detents were all stuff that I just kind of had laying around from an oops kit and stuff like that. I ended up getting the handguard on Midway. It was blemished. It's a choate, however you pronounce it, handguard. And it's a pretty cool handguard, but the way you install these just sucks so bad it's not even funny. They give you this plastic wrench, and it's the only way you can tighten this the barrel nut on, and then you use that same wrench to tighten the handguard on it. But it didn't work worth a crap. And so I found a different way to tighten the barrel nut, and that was with a pipe wrench, as you can see by the mauling marks all around the barrel nut. Next, I found the cheapest A2 style stock I could, which was UTG, and I did that just because I think it's cool. Bolt is a KAK Industries. It was like the only one I could find at the time I was putting this together. And it's just your plain phosphate, like AR-15 bolt. Nothing special about it. The barrel, muzzle brake, gas tube, and gas block are all from CBC Industries. I don't know if they make these muzzle brakes. I just thought it looked really cool. And then it's just a standard 16-inch barrel, and their standard gas tube and gas block. I've had a lot of trouble with this rifle recently getting it to work, and what I ended up finding through Shooting with Uncle Dan, his YouTube channel, the Shooting with Uncle Dan YouTube channel, and he said that these 20-round Duramag mags were like the only one that worked in his gun, I guess. And that's what I went to, and the last time I had it out, I didn't have any failures. And I'm shooting steel case, Tula ammo, 122 grain full metal jackets. Probably not the best, but hey, cheap gun needs to be able to shoot cheap ammo. My optic up here is the SIG Romeo MSR. I had it on one of my other guns and I liked it, and it was just kind of floating around the house, so I clamped it on here and called it a day. I never put a dust cover or a forward assist in this thing, but what I did find that was pretty cool is that you can jam a 44 mag shell in there and it looks really neat. I mean, come on, when you have a 7.62 by 39 AR, it's basically an AK-47, and AK-47s don't have dust covers and forward assists. Just saying. Not that I could actually sell this gun because it's one of the 80% lowers, but if I could, I would probably feel bad charging someone more than $200 for it. Now that I'm done running my mouth, I'm back here at 25 yards. I have 2 steel plates out there. I'm gonna see if this thing will run reliably or not and see how it shoots. Now, let's see if this thing's gonna make a giant ass out of me or not. I'll go see where I'm hitting. Ah! First magazine, no problem. Whoa, I moved it way over. No wonder I was missing. Still way over there. Yeah, that's a little better. Go over a little more. Go down a little bit. Yay, it's working. I'm back here at the 100-yard bench. Now to see if I can hit them plates out that far with just this red dot. Oh yeah! Oh, that was a miss. Oh, that was a miss too. I think I need to aim low maybe. Oh yeah! Yeah, it's way high. Let's see if I can hit him freehand. Good enough for me. A lot of you guys are like, why, Joe? Why a 7.62 by 39 AR? They're finicky. Buy an AK-47 if you want a 7.62 by 39. Well, there's a good reason for it. You know, the AR platform is very good. I like it. And just as a 45 caliber bullet is superior, far superior to a 9mm bullet, the 30 caliber bullet is far superior to the 223. Now, allow me to demonstrate that on these soda bottles. First, the 223. Bang! 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 Now, the far more powerful 7.62 by 39. Did not seat the magazine, not the gun's fault. Obviously. I think it's only right that I send this video off with a mag dump and prove to myself and everyone else that this gun finally works. Mag's in right. Here we go. Hallelujah. Look at that target. I counted 17 bullet holes out of 20. That's pretty good for somebody like me. It finally works. It looks cool. At least I think it does. And it's not too bad, actually. It's fairly accurate. But anyway, that's my video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button and tell me what you didn't like about it. Thank you for watching and have yourself a fantastic day.